OnePlus seems to be filling in the gaps in its tablet lineup. New renders now show what's expected to be a lower-cost alternative called the OnePlus Pad Lite. The Pad Lite isn't trying to compete with high-end models. It takes cues from the earlier OnePlus Pad Go, both in design and in target market. It comes with flat sides, thin bezels, and a centered circular rear camera module, and weighs 539 g. The screen is expected to be an 11-inch LCD with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. The Pad Lite is said to pack a MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Ship with Android 15 and OxygenOS 15. One area where the Pad Lite seems to improve on the Pad Go is battery capacity. The new model is reportedly getting a 9,340 mAh unit, up from 8,000 mAh. The leak doesn't reveal anything about the price or release date. We will keep you in the loop if we get any updates. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.